Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel and wherever else you're watching this video from. Hi, welcome to Shonia's Finley's podcast. I'm sorry. I do have a podcast I'm gonna put out later to my YouTube channel. Right now, I'm about to cook some taco spaghetti. So I got the ground beef. Got the rotel, some garlic, salt. I wanted some garlic powder, but you know these people, you DoorDash, they don't bring you your right stuff that you asked for. So I guess they had to substitute it. Some cheese and my ground beef. Getting my skillet ready. I'm gonna look in this drawer for some taco seasoning. Because how do a store not have taco seasoning? How do you run out of taco seasoning? I just want to know. All she got in here is chili. Chili season. Oh my God. That's crazy. Nobody got no taco season. That's wow. Okay, but I'm gonna be making my taco spaghetti. I guess without the taco seasoning, unless I find some somewhere around here. But yeah, so I'll be right back with you. I'm about to wash my hands, put the meat in the pot. So hold on. Sorry about that. I gotta get this meat out of here, so hold on. Okay, so got the meat. Put it in the pan. Let that cook. And I'll be right back. While my meat is cooking, I'm gonna, I found some chili powder. I'm just gonna put that in, substitute that for the taco seasoning. So I cleaned up a little bit. So I'm just waiting on my meat to cook, and then I'll be adding the ingredients, and I'll be right back. Alright, y'all, still trying to make this taco spaghetti. So I got my sauce open, I got my rotel open, and I'm about to put all these in. Got some pepper. But first, I'm gonna get this grease out of this pan. Drain your grease. Look at all that grease. Hold on. So much grease in here. Trying to drain. Woo! This thing hot. Drain as much grease out as possible. You always say get a paper towel. Get all the grease out. Trying to hold the camera and do this at the same time. Sorry. Is my camera going off? Panning somewhere else. That should be enough. I'm gonna stick that on there. Okay, this is my meat finally got down. Okay, now we're gonna add some pepper. Then we're gonna get some chili powder. Substituting that for taco seasoning. I hate these little holes. They get stuck in these little holes and they won't. And you gotta just shake it out. These little holes get on my nerves. Okay, turn it sideways, it'll work. Come out when it wants to. That should be enough. I'm gonna stir this first. And my rotel. I'm sorry, I'm going back and forth over here. Okay. That's coming along. Let that cook for a minute. Got my eye. I always tend to turn my eye up real high. I got my air on. Let the seasoning work real good in here. Sorry, I keep showing y'all the sink. Okay, put that down. I think I'm gonna add a little sauce, tomato sauce. I said a little, didn't I? I may add a lot, and then I need some water. Bottle of water, hold on. So I can cook my spaghetti in there. Okay. It was real saucy. Now I'm gonna crack my spaghetti in at one moment. Okay, y'all. I done put my spaghetti in here. Let it boil. Stay over there and boil. And I'll be back. Y'all, my taco spaghetti is almost ready. I put a little cheese in it. Don't that just look so delicious? You can see the ground beef, the cheese, the spaghetti, the tomatoes. It's already. Alright. Hope you make this for your dinner. Alright. Have a good evening.